Hello everyone! Let's grow papaya in a recycled clay wine jar. Simple but super fun. Now I'll drill drainage holes in the clay jar. This step is super important when planting in jars or pots. Next, I'll cut part of the jar's mouth, so the papaya can grow at a 45-degree angle. Looks cool and unique. Here's my tip for you. If you plant papaya in soil that's never been used, it grows super fast, with big and sweet fruits. That's why I use fresh soil, the kind dug from roads or house foundations. Now I'm planting the papaya at a 45-degree angle. Later, when it fruits, it'll look super cool and interesting. It feels like a short tree that's already bearing fruit. You can use dry grass to cover the soil. It helps keep the moisture in. I'm using water hyacinth roots. Today is day 40. My papaya plant is growing really well. The canopy is wide and healthy. At this stage, it needs more nutrients. So I add some inorganic fertilizer, especially nitrogen and potassium. Perfect and necessary now. Now I'm preparing organic fertilizer. To boost the plant during flowering, I use 1 ripe banana and 300 grams of dried cow manure. Soak it in water for 20 days. Then use it to water the plant. Today I noticed the papaya is about to flower. Now it needs a lot of organic fertilizer. I mix 1 liter of organic fertilizer with 5 liters of clean water and water the plant every day. At this stage, the leaves are thick and full. On sunny days, the plant loses water easily. Make sure to cover the jar's body. It heats up quickly, but cools down very slowly. That can really affect the roots inside. Today, near my garden, there's a road construction team. They're using an excavator to dig the foundation. I took the chance to collect some clean soil. This soil has never been used for planting. It's perfect for growing papaya. I've sun-dried this soil for 3 days. Today, I'll break it up into smaller pieces, then put it into the pot for planting. Small note: when growing plants in pots, good drainage is the most important thing. It directly affects how fast or slow your plant grows. After filling the pot with soil, I pour in a lot of water. Then wait for 2 to 3 days. Let the soil settle before planting the papaya. After 2 days of waiting, the soil in the pot has settled. Today, I can finally plant the papaya. Since it's new soil, it may be acidic with high pH. So I use phosphorus fertilizer to reduce acidity. Then I cover the top with water hyacinth roots to keep moisture. You can also use dry grass or dried leaves. Next, I'll prepare some organic fertilizer for the plant. I'm using 300 grams of dried cow manure, soaked in 5 liters of water. After 30 days of waiting, my papaya plant is now strong and healthy. Today, I'll use wire to bend the stem. This helps control the height and makes the plant look nicer. I'll use 1 liter of organic fertilizer I prepared earlier. Mix it with 5 liters of clean water and water the plant every day.